vision on the silver screen. I got... What's up, everybody? What's up? I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session sponsored by My Funded Futures. Beautiful short we had in the gold markets here. How about oil today? Oh my God, oil. Jeff, we just had a nice short on the gold just now, 48 all the way down. Look at this oil. Oh my God, this oil. I had this short here today on oil right near the top, right here. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolute Picasso. All right. How about gold today? Down almost 300 at one point. And I was long a bunch of GLDs and kicked them out. Rallied. Gold rallied from 5,005. Look at this gold. Rallied 150 points off the low there. And then S&P 67.19 all the way up to 68.45. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How is everybody tonight? Welcome, DL. What's going on? Anybody new here? Anybody new? All right. All right, everybody. Welcome. Just had a nice double blue long here on the S&P futures right before we got in here. They traded up to 30 and then they get kabooshed down to 08. And then they rally here. This is going to be a short here, actually, here. All right. Market rallied here. Rallied about 35 points with the president coming out and saying that they're going to protect the ships going through the Strait of Hormuz. Hey, Mr. Stephen Nadir, how are you? Anybody new here? Marley's dad, how are you? 44, the Punisher. Danny 5250 R&R. Remember, you got to Skylid. You got to sign up for the My Funded Futures in here if you want. Hi, I've served from Thailand. What's going on, brother? All right. What else? How is everybody? Hope everybody is having a great evening today. Hope everybody had a great day today. Hope everybody had a great day. Yes. All I know is it was pretty wild here. Pretty wild. All right. I get this out of my pocket here. All right. Anybody new here, put a 1. And then anybody new here with like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could just text me your full name and email, and you can start it on Monday. So it's 914-500-7484. Made a killing today, Billy Gibbs. In and out, baby. In and out, Billy Gibbs. In and out. NASDAQ just ran about 60. You could short some NASDAQ here, 65 up to 95. S&P's 24 and a half up to 30. Okay. All right, let's see if they get up there here. What's going on, James Robertson? Hey, Schultze from the good, great country of Australia. Hey, SK Isaac, what's going on, brother? All right. All right, good hand on the mouse. You ain't kidding. Hey, Jewish merchant, what's going on? All right, so we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight, okay? I don't know what time we're going to do them, okay? I don't know what time we're going to do them, but we'll figure it out. Again, hello from Iran. Oh, please. All right. So, you got to go, Josh Mars, to My Funded Futures YouTube and click on the link. Okay? I don't know if you got short to S&Ps?
It fell.
No, it didn't get filled?
I was at 24.50.
Oh, okay.
It did fill.
I think it was 24. Okay, 24 to 30 range. Morning from Seoul. And they're off at Belmont. There you go. Gold going up here. I'd short the gold. 53 and a half on the gold. If it gets up 53 and a half up to 61 and a half on the gold. Okay. The 60-minute MACDs are non-confirming and get a monster bear flag. Let's see what oil's doing here. Poor oil got absolutely kabooshed here. Oh, look at the oil. Jeff, oil was amazing today. If this, oh my God, this oil is going to get killed. Just dropped. Oh, why'd I change it? This oil is a short. Look at these MACDs negative here. Oil is going to get kabooshed. Look at this, 900 contracts trading here on oil. Look at my dog. He's eating up a bone here. Oh my God, look at this. And what's silver doing? Silver was very crazy today. Oof, look at silver. Unbelievable. What was the low on silver? 78 today, I think, silver. 78, rallied 5. Wow, that's pretty damn impressive. The silver's going to turn up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There goes silver. Let's see if we get some type of a drop here. S&Ps, did they get up there? S&P, NASDAQ, I would cancel the short. S&Ps, look to gold, I look to cover 50 to 56 range if it drops here. NASDAQ, I'd cancel the NASDAQ, cancel the S&Ps here. Silver's going to reverse here on the 60. All right, we got to look for pullbacks here. I stay with it on the gold here. This gold should drop. Yeah, this gold should drop here. Come on. Silver, unbelievable. So you had the 60-minute time frames non-confirming here on gold. And remember, you got to be really careful trading the gold because of the fact that you got you can only do a couple contracts, right? Okay, come on. Let's see if we get a nice pullback here. Here we go. Come on. Just keep scaling shorts here, looking for this thing to drop, and then look for longs. What's that mean? Top 1%. M2 Maurice. I can't believe this gold got all the way down to 5,050. Unbelievable. All right. See the drop here. You could look to cover anywhere from the 53 to 59 range. Here we go. S&P's 25 up to 31. NASDAQ 65 up to 95. Look at the gold drop. Come on. I said stay with it. Here we go. 56.5. Hello, everybody. Hello. What is this 1% challenge you're talking about? 35th place. All right. You had to stay with it. You got to go wide. And probably should have. It went a little wider than I thought, but you okay on the goal?
Yeah.
Good job, Mario. Hey, Mario. What's up, my brother? Mario's going to be in the great state of Florida soon. Love it. Unbelievable. Where would you live? No other place to live. NASDAQ dropping. S&P's dropping. It's the Leap Challenge on TradingView. I never heard of it. You ever hear of a Leap Challenge? That was a great long on the NASDAQ on the double blue. Same thing with the what do you call it? Same thing with the S&Ps. Identical, same pattern. That's a double blue buy at 740 on the pullback. If you're short S&Ps, let's look to cover 22.25, 22.24. All right. Romania. Hello, Churchill, Alexandru. How are you? This gold just dropped here, 12. All right. Hey, Danny, what's up, Danny? You bought the pullback where? On the NASDAQ and S&P. That's a good job. Because if you look here, you can see the double blue buy, the oversold condition. All three time frames are in buy mode. The 15, 30, and 60, right? So that's what you look to do, okay? that's what you look to do here. Silver dropped. Silver had the identical same pattern here. If I can type. Silver drop. Oh my God, look at the silver. Oh my God, 70 cents. If you look here, you can see, oh my God, what a drop on silver. All right, this silver is probably going to be a long here. If this silver can get down to the 82, 85 to 83.45 on silver. Oh, I was just about to short that up there, damn it. Wow, silver just got kabooshed. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there. All right. So if you look here, you can see the double blue buy. Look how fast this silver is. Here goes the gold. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. S&Ps just dropped 5 if you're short. Crude oil's rallying. All right, let's see. Oh my God, this was a buy. I gotta leave the crude up. Crude, everybody, look at the S&Ps drop. Crude, everybody did well on crude. Now, silver, if you're long, I start scaling out of longs. Oh my God, this crude oil. Can you imagine having crude oil as another instrument at night? Oh my God. Jennifer, look at the silver rally on that double blue buy. Oh man. NASDAQ got kabooshed. Oh my God, S&P's down 10. NASDAQ just dropped 40. You short the NASDAQ or S&P?
S&P.
You still short?
I'm flat now.
Ooh, baby, 10 handles. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, Luke. What'd you make, 400 on that?
Not quite.
Go ahead with Kayla. Go on. Too fast for me.
Wow, look at the gold.
Cody's pulling up the rear.
Wow, look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Anybody short the NASDAQ up there? 65? Oh my God. Wow. 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 Man, I that's that's really unusual in the index futures to see that.
Go ahead with Kayla.
Okay, wow, what a caboose in here. What a drop. You could trade pullback right now on silver. I don't think the SLVs are. Where can you trade the SLVs? Interactive Broker, I think, allows you to do that, right? Good job, Trader Jay. That was a good one. I don't think you think. Well, if you listen to me during the day, Angel, you wouldn't feel that way. Okay? You wouldn't feel that way. There goes a double blue buy on the on the silver. What a short. Oh my god. I can't remember the last time the S&P's dropped 12, the Nasdaq drops almost 50. Hey Vlad, what's going on? All right, if these gold pushes up to the 63 and a half, 4 to 72, 73, I would look to short it. There goes the oil. This was the buy on oil right here. Damn it. In the Asia session, you can see the new low, the non-confirmation on the 15. Wow, what a gold just got up to 65? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. 67? Yeah, you gotta then raise it though. You gotta go to the highest point. I would go 66 and a half, 7 to 70, 76, 70, 77 range if it gets up there. Okay, there goes the gold pushing up. Look at the silver rally, 50 cents. That was a beautiful long on the silver, okay, on the double blue buy, right? You get the pullback right here, silver, boom. Maybe if you got one lot, and that was it, right? Right? Hello from Brazil. Hey, what's your opinion on scalping consecutive I don't even know what the hell consecutive candles mean. You talking about the gold here? You talking about the gold? I can't even look at these things. I did it one night as a joke. What? How can I read that? What's these empty boxes? I mean, my head hurts. The gold, the 60 here. If you look here, the 60-minute MACDs are not confirming the move here. Okay, the 60-minute MACDs are not confirming. What a long on the gold, on the silver. All right, you could cover some of this gold here. 62 and a half, 67 and a half range. This thing should drop. Wow, Jennifer, look at that. 60 cents on the silver. I'm telling you, I don't get the rally today. Okay, gold should start dropping here. Oof. What did oil do here? I can't even look at this. I got to change this. I can't even look at this. That's what you look at right there. There you go. There you go. Drop gold. All right. Who the hell could look at that? I don't even know what the hell I'm looking at. Trading Cafe. I have some things I'm working on with that. Come on, gold, drop. Come on. Got to get pullbacks here. This is beautiful here. Right here. See this? making the new highs here, the non-confirmations here. Hey, Lee, where have you been, Lee? Wow, that was a nice low. Come on. Give me 5 on the gold. Come on. You're $21 from the 10 bar. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, geez, right back up. Look at that. Traded Cafe. Oh, my God. I can't wait. Do I inflationary and deflationary currency strategies based upon currency strength? No, but if I did, I'd be an alcoholic. I'll tell you right now. I don't even know what the hell you're saying, Bruno Mentrader. Oh my God. No, I don't use whatever you just discretionary currency, inflationary currency strategies based upon currency strength. Oh my God. No, I don't do that. All right. All right. Should have bought them. All right. What was it low? 11 on the S&Ps. What's going on here? These 09. What's this crude doing? Right back up on the crude. Wow, what a long on the buy divergence. If this oil shoots up, what's this thing doing? If this oil gets to the 45 to 75, 45 to 75, 85, I would probably look to take a scalp short on oil. Gold should drop. Silver just rallied. Do you use ATR often? No, I do not use ATR. I do not use ATR. Boom. Look at this oil. This oil just ran over $1 off the lows. Look at that. Again, this would be a scalp short. All 3 time frames are in buy mode here, but the MACDs are non-confirming, especially here. Oh, you're in a buy disconnect, actually. Let's just wait. Yeah, this is good times. Remember, you guys have to take advantage of this, because if you remember exactly what happened last year, February, March, April, right? February, March, April. Oh, come on, drop. This was a great long here. You can cover this oil anywhere between the 40 and 49 range. There we go, drop. I can't believe you sent me a text. All right, oil is dropping. Oh, Lee. Okay, Lee, I just texted you. All right. Now it got quiet. Gold making new highs here. Silver making new Asia highs here. I can't believe this gold. This gold, I was shorted 73 to 83 range. Can you believe this gold traded down 300 points today at one point, and gold was trading 5,005. Oh my God. I think natural gas pretty much I think this oil, if this oil gets up to 65 to 05, I would short it. That's me, right? All day long, man. I caught the lows today, man. I was so, oh my God. I had some pretty big positions. All right. S&P's making new session lows. NASDAQ making new session lows. Oil just dropped, hit 61. All right. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oil just dropped 20. Damn it. See the MACD's? All right. I would cancel. If this oil gets up to 61 to like probably even, I would look to short it. But I don't think it. Anybody short gold? Oh, my God. S&P's down 20 off the highs here. Oh, my Lord. The gold hit 73? 72, 73 here. If you sold gold at 73, just lower it. If not, cancel it. Oh yeah, this is what you want. You crazy? Do you understand? After 43 years in the game, I've seen it all. You think with today's any different? Come on, you got to learn how to trade that. I can't even say the word buy here on the. Oh my God. Nasdaq's down 100 in 25 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4 in 5 bars. You flare off the natural gas? That's what they do with it? Really? What do you mean you're trying to trade at a proprietary trading desk? Wow, look at this gold. You get short the gold?
Did
You got 73?
yeah.
You did, really?
I'm out.
I didn't know. Yeah. So what? They'll go right back down. It's all right. Wow, look at this NASDAQ. Look at this gold drop. Oh my God almighty. Look at this. The whole world's falling out of bed. Oh my God. NASDAQ's down 120. Love it. Love when they go down. If you want to take some type of a scalp long here on the NASDAQ, you can maybe go like 05 to 45. Just NASDAQ, S&P's 90 to 97 if they get down there. Oh my God. Wow. Non-confirmation on the low? Yes, because basically the MACDs are still positive in the 30 and 60. Wow, NASDAQ, unbelievable. What did oil do? Oil hit that 61 mark? Oil just got kabooshed. I canceled the oil short. Wow. What a short on the NASDAQ. Good Lord. This guy jumped 72, down 130. Angel, not true, Angel. Angel, you got to know what you're doing. That's what we do into my Discord. All right, scale out of some longs on the Nasdaq. Got negative MACDs here. See, the beautiful thing about the short here was the 60-minute time frames was still turning down. Wow. There you go. If you're long the Nasdaq below 45, S&Ps never got to 97, I don't think.
Did
It did?
If it did, I didn't get filled.
No, I don't think it did.
It was 25.
It was 97, 25?
I think so.
Yep, 97. This one got to 90, but the one before. All right, cancel the NASDAQ. Now, you see why I thought gold was a short? Look, if I could type. Why I said gold was a short, if I could type again. I don't know, I hate this trade station at times. The MACDs never confirmed the highs here, right? Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ. Mikey Jacques, get in there. All right, but the NASDAQ exploded. Oh my God, look at the gold. Oh my God almighty. This guy jumped. This guy jumped, Denny. Wow, NASDAQ just ran what? About 30. 24,690. That's where they're going, Baba. And then you got to short them. Right? You want this volatility. You want this right? You want this volatility. Damn straight you want this volatility. And then you short the world. Next bounce. Wow. Hong Kong opens in 1 minute, yes. Short the world, baby. I still think, you know what? I know you're going to think I'm crazy, but this is the period, February, March, April, where the markets get kabooshed. Okay? Right? And you know, my belief is that if they can fill these gaps, okay? If you can fill these gaps all the way down, okay? Down to 5,600, 5,200. I mean, this is the time to do it, you know? But I don't think 5,200. If I get 5,670 on the S&Ps, that would be, I mean, there are still gaps below that. But I mean, down to 5,100. Somebody told me there's a gap at 40. I don't see it, but I think that, good job, Arton. Get in there. Look at that. Beautiful. What a short up there. Look at the gold down 20. Oh my God, gold. Look at the gold down 20. The non-confirmation on the 60-minute time frame. Oh my God. If you want to take a scalp long on gold, probably like 44.5 to 53.5 range. Look at these S&Ps. NASDAQ right. Oh my God, this NASDAQ's going to get kabooshed. NASDAQ just reversed itself. Where's the NASDAQ? If this NASDAQ gets to even to 40, I would look to buy it again for a trade. Boom, NASDAQ right back up. Boom. Boom on the NASDAQ. I'd buy him again here, even to 40. 5,300, that would be a gift. I say if the S&P's got to 5,300. So I'll tell you a great story, right? S&P's, if they get down here to the even 97, I would look to buy them one more time. I remember when I came in, that Sunday night, S&P's was trading 48.32. And the whole world was saying 3,500, 2,800, this and that 100, that 100, this 100. There goes the NASDAQ, right back up. I'd be scaling out the longs. Okay, you got to keep buying the lows here. Okay, the 30s and 60s MACDs. Look at the gold rally. Oh my God, you get the gold? Oh my God, this gold. 50, I would go 44.5, 53.5 range. You got to buy every oversold here. So anyway, so Monday morning, I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I see the S&P's trading 48.92. So they rallied 60. Okay. And then I said to I would buy the NASDAQ here again, same range. And then we opened at 49.25 and we never looked back. And I said to everybody, I would buy the world. NASDAQ, S&Ps, if they rally above 99, I would look to sell them. And I said, I would be buying the world. My friends are like, I can't believe Trump with the tariffs, this and that. Oh my God. I'm like, forget it. Then I saw this woman I know very, very, very well. I'm not going to mention her name. Okay. And she starts bragging, oh, I'm the best technician in the world. We're going to whatever. I think it was 3,500 or 2,800, something like that. I said, not happening. Look at the NASDAQ. Baba, you get the long? Look at the S&P's rally, right? I said, it ain't happening, right? It ain't happening. It ain't happening. The 4,800, when I was working with the number one guy in the world, I remember when we got to the S&Ps, when the S&Ps took out 4,400 and broke down to 3,500, and we bought the world, right? And next thing you know, they rallied up, and I said, if they take out 4,800, you take the measured move from 3,500 to 4,800, it brings up to 6,200, okay? And we both looked at each other, and he said, man, that would be a monster. It did happen like 9 months later, okay? Look at the NASDAQ go, Baba. Get in there. Come on, raise your stops. S&Ps, raise your stops. Gold, if you're long, sell above 40, 57. You guys should have bought the gold.
I did.
Good job. There goes the gold. Look at that beautiful double blue bull flag on gold, right? And next thing I know, I hear the woman, oh my God, look at the NASDAQ rally. Look at the gold. Oh my God. It's Christmas and March. Oh my God. Pac-Man, get in there. Oh my God. Anyway, so make a long story short.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
That's what I told that woman. March. M-A-W-C-H. March. So next thing I know, wow, S&P just ran 6. NASDAQ just ran 40. About 38. Anyway, so I see this person claiming the market to go low, and I said, this is not going to happen. The breakout level is 4,800. So we came all the way down 32 points above 4,800, and they're calling for 3,500. I said, buy the world. Go to my Twitter. I said, buy, okay? Buy the world. My God. S&P, gold, kaboom. Where's the bull? There's the bull, right? Unbelievable. Beautiful long on the gold. Oh, my God almighty. Oh, my God almighty. What a long. Can you believe gold was trading 50-50 today? Unbelievable. Down almost 300. Unbelievable, right? Kaboom on the internet. That's right. It doesn't matter. One more time.
It doesn't matter.
I remember driving on the FDR drive, and I heard that. I almost crashed. I was hysterical laughing. Look at the gold just rallied $12. Jennifer, you get the gold, Jennifer? And anyway, so the market never looked back. It was the breakout level. Short gold. What are you, crazy? It's going to turn up here. Oh my God, gold just did you buy the gold trader A7? Right? You caught the NASDAQ? Good job. Baba, look at the NASDAQ, Baba. Look at them go. So anyway, make a long story short. Oh my God, what a day I had today. Oof. My armpits were on fire by 9:45. I was soaking wet. Okay? What is he on? Morphine? Not me. He almost died because of morphine. You know that? Great job, Jennifer. Look at these S&Ps. Oh my God, NASDAQ, Baba. Done. Kaboom. That was a beautiful pattern. That was a buy divergence and a buy disconnect, right? Get in there, Pac-Man. Night's over. Look at these S&Ps up 13. Jeffrey, that was an easy one, all right? You can take a short scalp on the NASDAQ, 95, maybe 95 to even up to 30. S&Ps 10 up to like 16, okay? But that was an easy one. It could go higher. You just told me looking for shorts. Okay. Even up to maybe 40 then. But if you look, let me just show you this. And this is a beautiful, look at this double blue buy here, right? This is the first pullback on the 3 minute, and then this is the pullback on the 5 minute, right? Okay, so this is what I was looking at on the NASDAQ during the Asia markets, right? So you're making new lows here, right? Look at it. This guy jumped 30 and 3/4, right? All right, if you just scalp the short, just dropped like 7 on the NASDAQ. But you see here, we only start from the session, the 8 o'clock session. So you're making new lows during the Asia session. The MACDs cannot confirm on the 30. The MACDs cannot confirm on the 60s. Kaboom! NASDAQ just got kabooshed. S&Ps just dropped 4. Where's the bear? What do you want me to come to New York City and let's go to Howo? What the hell's a Howo? There's a 20-second delay, I believe, on the stream. Get in there, Pac-Man, Christopher. If you think I'm coming to New York City and leaving this great state of Florida, you're crazy. Okay? I love you to death, Jewish merchant, but I ain't never going to New York City. Those days are over. OVA. Right? Right? Yeah, I had a great day today. Oof. I killed it. No, it just dropped already. I mean, you could short it even to 40, even to 35 if you want. Just hit even again. 05. Just dropped 20 just now. Hey Zeus, you gotta be fast, brother. This ain't for the NASDAQ S&Ps. I would cover shorts again. Just drop 5. Hey Zeus, you gotta be fast, brother. I hope you're executing on a dom, not on the chart, because I'll lose my head. All right? Okay? I ain't going. Are you crazy? If Jewish merchant offered to buy me a home, I'm not moving to New York City. Forget it. If he says I'll buy you a home on Park Avenue, I'm still not coming. I'm never leaving this state. Crude, what happened to crude? Look at the nat. Hey Zeus, tell me you're short. This is a bear flag. Hey Zeus, what's crude doing here? Crude shot up or down? Oh, it was a short up here. Oh my God. I had the 61 short earlier. This crude. Oh, crude's got a double blue buy here. It's going to be bought soon here. Just trade him, Jesus. Can you believe the S&Ps just they went from 25 to 97, 97 to 10. Nasdaq again, I'd probably look to short them 10 up to 40. Gold was a great long. S&Ps you can short here like 11 and a half. Go 12 up to 18, 19. I don't know if you're going to get it or not, but I'm just looking for a push down onto the negative MACDs. Let's see if this thing can drop. These fives should drop here. Gold, what a long on the gold. Wow. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push down here. Unbelievable. NASDAQ just ran like 70, like 80, like nothing. You could cover these shorts here anywhere from the 95 to 08 level. Let's see if this thing drops. Look at the gold rally. Oh my God, gold 53 to 70. S&Ps just cover anywhere from the 08 and a half, 11 and a half range. Here goes the NASDAQ dropping. All right, we're gonna do the. Danny, get in there, Danny. Look at this gold. Oh my God. This volatility is. Baba, you see the divergence? You see the new low? The MACDs couldn't confirm on the 30 and 60. That's why I was jumping up and down like that. Boom. I said like 4 times, just keep buying every time it drops below 40. Boom, boom, boom on the net. Every time below 97 on the S&Ps. Boom. Look at this gold. This is insane. Goes up $20. Right? Get in there, Artan. That's Artan. I love my brother. He's stealing my lines. I love it. I haven't shaved. I'm gonna go like weeks without shaving. I think. I don't care anymore. This you could probably short this gold again, 73 up to 82, or 74 to 85, 74 to 83. Which one? Get in there? I know, it's a great line. Pac-Man's got to make a T-shirt. Pac-Man is behind on the orders here. It doesn't matter. Get in there. Loved it. You got to make trading fun, man. Right? You know? You got to... oh, my God, the NASDAQ, Artan. That's a beautiful bear flag, Baba. Look at the S&Ps. Look at the gold drop. Tell me you short something, please.
Yes.
All right? I hope you have... short the world. Where's Pac-Man? Phil the Coolers. That's another good one. You know the story about Phil the Coolers? I have a good friend of mine, Jeff from Missouri. And Jeff says to me, Steve, I made a lot of money trading one morning. He trades stocks. And he says to me, no way. No, I'm not going to look like George Clooney. What are you, crazy? It's Coolers. Coolashh. Oh, my God, Phil the Coolers. So, NASDAQ just got cabooshed, Artan. 40 points. Look at the gold. So, S&P's down, oh my God, S&P's down 9. Leo the Lion, get in there. So, one day, so Jeff says to me, Baba, tell me you just got the short, please. At least for a scalp from me, right? So he says to me, hey, Stevie, I'm done for the day. I made $550 on a trade. I said, Jeff, fill the coolers. And oh my God, the place went crazy. The place went crazy. Fill the coolers. And I'm telling you, that just absolutely took off. Short this gold here again, 74 up to 82, 83 if it got up there, right? Forget about it. All right, good job, Artan. That's the story about Phil the Coolers, my good friend Jeffrey, all right? And we used to have so much fun with that, man. Damn. I'm not telling you when the raffle is. How's that? Okay? Everybody's on double secret probation tonight. There may be a raffle, there may not be a raffle. Right? I don't know. You guys got to stick around. Learn to trade and make money. That's what this is about, not just the raffle. And by the way, Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, I'll be on the My Fund the Futures TV. Oh my God, I was so busy this morning. I'm telling you, the orders were just flying out of my mouth. Right? The orders were just flying out of my mouth today. Micron, spiders, Qs, Palantir, boom, 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 just boom. Oh my God, look at this crude. Cabooshed. Say hi to Emily for me in the UK. Hi, Emily. Yes, what's his name? Yazin Max? Max? I don't know. I can't see it. So oh my God! Are you kidding me, Artan? Kabooshed! S&Ps. This has got to be one of the best nights for index futures. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oil kabooshed. My dog just heard the bear. What happened? Hello, Baba. What happened? I love you. Daddy loves you. My big moosey. Hello. Don't be fearful of the bear. Come on, gold. Gold's got to drop. Oof. Look at this oil. Look at these S&Ps. Okay. You could cover this gold anywhere from 74 to 78 here. What a short. NASDAQ. How about the short? S&P 25, boom, long, boom, bear flag, boom. Right? That was some bear flag. NASDAQ just got... Is he okay?
Yeah, sorry.
Who are you growling at?
I was just.
Is that him growling?
No.
Oh, I thought he was growling.
No.
I thought he was growling. He was going to eat somebody. What happened? Go eat somebody. Oh my God. Come on. Drop gold. Give me 78, 77, 76. Oh my God, this gold. I would stay with this short on the gold, 74 to 84 range, 74 to 83, whatever. I still stay short. This gold's 20 bucks from the 10 bar. Look at this oil. Oh my God. This gold should drop. This is crazy. The Nasdaq's all over the place. Come on, gold. Give me 74 to 78. Just drop 4 or 5 more. Let's go. Come on. Why do you think gold's going to 52.33? You got sell divergences on the 60-minute time frame. That's the problem. I just want to get a pullback. We got the long. Just want to just get scalped as short. Here we go. Come on, get to 78. Oh, Jesus. Okay, come on, gold. Couple more points. Why not, Gary? You could cover this gold anywhere from the 74 to 80 range. It should drop here. NASDAQ, what a short on the NASDAQ. $3,000 profit. I think it's a pretty damn good night, if you ask me. I know the gold went a little bit more than expected, but I think it's still going to drop. Right now, you're still $21 above the 10 bar weighted moving average. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Give me 3 to 4 more on the gold. You should see me trading the GLDs today. Oh my God. You should have seen me trading today. Oof. Silver. We had the one long on silver. Come on, gold. I'll be right back. Mikey, Jacques, where have you been? I'll be back in 10 seconds here. How much you up over 400? There you go. On one account or on
One.
Oh, you're not linking them?
Well,
I'll be right back.
I'll tell you.
drop. It'll drop. Give it a chance. I still think they're going down. I think the 15. This you got. I think you got one more push down, and then I think the 60-minute time frames are going to turn up. Come on, drop. Oh boy. All right. Wow, it's not even 9 o'clock yet. Oh, good job, Jeff. I think that's the right way to do it. I miss this oil along here. Ah. All right. Even okay, here comes the gold. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Give me at least a 73, 74. Wow, this silver is really. If this silver reverses to buy on a 60-minute, it's so much better when you stand. You know that? See everything.
See clear.
I'm telling you, it's so standings. Oh, look at this oil. Standing's the best. What happened? Everything just died. 9 o'clock here. Look at you. You ate that whole bone. I'm not going to take it from you. What a moose. Look at the muscles on you. Huh? Ate the whole bone. This is first bone in 10 days. Eat your bone. Dad, eat your bone. Dad. Dad, eat your bone. Oh my God. All right, NASDAQ, S&Ps just ran 10. I didn't see that there. I just want to get this gold to drop. Gold's getting overbought on the 15, 30, and 60s. S&Ps and probably another short there. NASDAQ, it just dropped. Okay. Oh wow! Look at the gold. Look at the Nasdaq. Look at the Nasdaq just dropped. Jesus. almost 35 here. There may or may not be giveaways. I don't know. You guys got to. Oh my God. What a short. Off the 3-minute. Damn it. S&P's just dropped 10. NASDAQ just. Oh my God. NASDAQ just dropped 50. That's the only one we missed there tonight. All right. Jesus. Got to get this gold to drop. Come on. We want to get long gold on pullbacks here. Oh my God, look at the oil on the double blue. 58 all the way up. 56. Jesus. All right. Come on, gold. Drop 10. I can't believe gold was down almost 300 points at one point today. Oh, tonight's pretty active. For the indexes, you never see the indexes do this at night in the Asia session. You never see that. All right, come on, gold. Oh my God, NASDAQ 60. Oh my God. What, 20 points? What, on the S&Ps? That's big. What are you talking about? Jesus. Whew. Man, all I know is in 43, almost 44 years, there's nothing like the volatility, man. When you day trade, nothing like volatility. I mean, Micron, SanDisk. Oh my, it was crazy. Gold went completely bananas from 9:30 to 11:30. You know? Yeah, Nasdaq's down 150 from the highs. We were 24,772 is the high, right? Okay, and we were offering at 65. Adam, what? Please check gold. Yeah, I'm looking. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go on the gold. I tell you, it's just a matter of time. Here we go. 70s. Come on, die. All right, Angel. If you want a 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and email. 914-500-7484. Angel. Melvin will rip to the upside. I don't know about that. A lot of uncertainty still. Adam Frank is 4475. You could just text me 914-500-7484. Adam. All right. Come on, we should have 1,000 a night here. Minimum. I think SanDisk. I think the whole. If I think the S&Ps are going to go to 6,000, then 5670 or 50, don't you think SanDisk will be 400 or maybe 350? Right? Adam, I'll call you after the at the end of this. Jesus, look at the oil. Oh my God. Come on, gold. Just drop so you can get long. Well, the strategy here, okay, is you already got the 15-minute and the 60-minute pullback and the 30-minute pullback on gold. Now you just got to get a deep oversold condition on the 15 and then to get long. Boom. Hopefully you'll get that long. Oh my God, look at this oil. So what I told everybody today on my podcast and everybody, I expect this tomorrow. Okay? You see this here? The 60-minute time frames. Okay? I expect the 60-minute time frames. So if they push up, okay, you're going to have non-confirmations on the 60. If they push up, you're going to make new highs, and the MACDs are not going to confirm the high. Okay? 2, I'm expecting this tomorrow. Boom. And let's just see if I'm going to be right. Gold, you can scalp it again, 86 up to 94.95. Silver, unbelievable. Silver got down to 83.43 and then ripped $1.60. S&P and NASDAQ, bye-bye. Okay? All right. If this NASDAQ gets down probably to the 24,000 to 24,630, 24,600, 24,630, you may want to take a scalp long here. The 60-minute time frames are getting deeply oversold here. Boom. All right. NASDAQ just got down to 35. You could go even to 35 on the NASDAQ. The 60-minute time frame, you see the 60s getting oversold into the positive MACDs here? That's the only thing that you got cushion here. Now S&P's 90 to 97 if it gets down there. So I hope a lot of you guys registered before 9 o'clock for the raffle. How could this gold? Look at this gold. You got to be kidding me on this gold. This is what I'm looking for tomorrow. We'll see though. NASDAQ just got down to what here? 33. I was bidding 30. Oh, look at this gold. Look at this silver. Now, silver, okay, a different animal here. All right. Silver reverses the buy on the 60-minute time frame right here. So what you want to do in silver here, you want to buy the pullback here. Oh my God. I can't believe the silver was trading 78 today. Come on, man. You can maybe take a scalp short here, 85, 45 up to 95. See if this thing can drop a little bit. This gold, 87, 88. NASDAQ just ran 25. It's getting overextended here. You could look to cover the gold anywhere between the 86 and 91 range. Silver just dropped 12. Unbelievable. How'd you get on the gold? I've been telling you to cover here the whole time. It got down to 77. The range was 74 to 84, and I said stay with it, right? It pushed up to 88 and it dropped all the way down to 77, right? Fish and food. you can't do. Are you doing a single lot entry? You're doing one entry. How many times did you scale into the gold? If you do a single lot entry, you cannot trade. You can. It's okay. I'm asking. Did you do a single lot entry? If you do a single lot entry, you cannot trade futures markets doing a single lot entry. Two. Okay. Did you space them out like? So if I did 74 to 84, maybe you go 76, maybe you go 82, 83, right? So then if it drops to, 77, you cover some, right? I don't know. I'm just asking. Silver? Silver's confirming the highs on, yes, except the 60-minute time frame. Yeah, the 60's not. Well, I mean, the 30s they're turning up. But what you do is you want to buy silver here on the next pullback. 80 was your first one. Okay. And where was the second one, if you don't mind me asking? Where was the first one? Okay. That's a tough one. Nasdaq just ran 30. Um, so 74 and then 80. So then it got down to what? So the average price would be 6. So 77. I don't think today's a bad day for gold and silver. 85.64. Okay, that's a good short. So if your average price is 77, right? Yeah, I think. Hey, be careful. Yeah, I think gold's gonna drop. I think not dumped it. You should have covered it. You should have dumped it. You should have covered it, right? It's very difficult to trade. I would cover this between 87 and 93 on the gold, or 85 and 93 on the gold. You guys got to remember, if you're trading two micros, you got to go wide. So 74 and 80, 77, I would have just covered break even, right? No, it's all right. I'm just saying. Fucking gold. You have a 93 overbought reading, 90, 94, 95. Silver, good job, down 10 cents off the highs. I just can't get over this gold. I'm completely miffed. Gold drops from 5,400 down to 50.50. Right? All right, again, let's see if the NASDAQ, just trade them, NASDAQ. Nice short on the silver. If in the range, silver, I would just cover below 45 if you're short. Gold, 86 to 87 to 93 if you're short. There you go, a nice short on the gold. Gold's in the range. I think this gold's going to break 90, but Nice short on the silver. 40, what was that? 30, 40 cents on the silver. Chuck, look at the gold, Chuck. Of course, gas prices are going up. Oh my God, look at the silver, 89. Gold, I mean. Chuck, I would be starting to look to cover in the range, Chuck. Chuck, you hear me, Chuck? Listen to my moosey. What a moose. All right, NASDAQ, I would scale out of longs, just hit 40. 39 or higher. S&Ps, 97 to even. Oh my God. Come on, gold. Give me 7 more. Let's go. I know that was I'm complimenting you. I said that was a great short up there. You were 64, right? But you want to buy the silver here. The strategy is after the 60 reverses to buy. There goes the S&P and NASDAQ. Tell me a long something there.
That was, yeah. S&P.
All right, S&P's just rallied 4, right? NASDAQ just ran what? From 25 up to 40, 45? Yeah, I said that was a great job. Mikey Jacques, you get the long on the NASDAQ, Mikey Jacques? Michael, look at the S&Ps. What's Chuck? Where's Chuck? Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ. 30 up. S&Ps. That's the 60-minute time frame. You see?
Mm-hmm.
The 60-minute time frame. Every time you made new lows, it was a kaboom. Look, I can show you. Look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. This is why I kept on saying every new low here. The oversold condition on the 60. Look at the S&Ps just rallied 8. Look at this. Every new low. 23. Boom. 40 plus. What are you doing in crude? Let me look. Oh my God, what a short. What a bear flag. Oh my God. Johnny boy. Good job, Johnny boy. Oh my God. Great job. Let's go, guys. Smash the likes. And anybody want a 5-day free trial, or just text me your full name and email and text it to me, 914-500-7484. Where's Chuck? Chuck, are you still here? Hendershot? Wow, what a long. Again, those 60-minute. Look at the gold. This gold. Here we go. Chuck, you short? I'd be covering. It just got to 88. All right, what time is it? I don't know if we're gonna do raffles tonight. I gotta see. I'd like to get it to 500. Maybe we'll do them. Nasdaq sideways? Are you crazy? Nasdaq is amazing today. It's Christmas in March. It's probably one of the best Asia sessions in a while.
Pretty good one.
What do you have, about 600?
Around 5.
5? What's wrong with that? Now, no, I don't do raffles in the Discord. Next! I don't know. If I get to 500, maybe we'll do a raffles. We got 483. I don't know. We need 17 more. 20 more people. S&P's just rallied 8 off the low. What was the low? Actually, 9 off the low. Nasdaq rallied 40 off the low. I don't know. We get to 500, maybe we'll do a raffle. I don't know. We're 13 shy. All right. Yeah, I do during my live stream. Not here, though. I do during my live stream. And if you want, you could text me at 914-500-7484. This to me is probably one of the best sessions for indexes, oil. I mean, oil, unbelievable. I didn't see this oil long, but I'm glad my guys shorted this oil here. Look at this. Oh my God, 70 cents in oil. All right. We had a nice short in gold, a couple shorts, a great long. Oh, here goes the gold. Come on. Here goes the gold. NASDAQ? What are you, crazy? NASDAQ's great tonight. NASDAQ, you had the sell divergences. My daily basis for tomorrow? Look at the gold. Here we go, below 87 where we started. Chuck, I'd be covering shorts. Okay? Thank you, Bob Barker. Kabooshed! Guys, we need 14 likes. 14 people watching to do the raffles. Come on. Let's see here. My Fund of Futures is the best prop firm, hands down. Look at the silver get kabooshed. Silver just dropped 60. Look at this gold. I knew it. I smelt it. I saw, right? Look at that. Jeff, you see that? You had to stay with it. S&P's and NASDAQ kabooshed here. Gold just got, Chuck, I be covering shorts, Chuck. Freebird. I love that name. Do you know that 50 years later, Skinner, Freebird, #1 song, okay? Budweiser, #1 commercial during the Super Bowl with the Clydesdale horse and the eagle. Can you believe it? Johnny Van Zant's going crazy. I got a picture of me and Johnny Van Zant. No, my Fund of Futures and Denny and I, the best. You guys, come on, 18 more if you guys want to do a raffle. 10 more. 10 more watching. We got to hit 500. If we hit 500, we should really have 5,000 every night here. Oh my God, look at this. Hey, who hit the Purse Trades? Great job, Purse Trades. Purse Trades, great job, brother. He nailed the top. 85.64. Right? 85. 6 more for a raffle. All right. Not bad for Tuesday night. Today Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. Oh, we just dropped 11. We got to get more. We need 5 more for a raffle. Parish, really good job, Parish. All right, look at that. 3 more. IBA 7, please, whatever your name is. 1 more, 500. Can we get 1 more for the raffle? Let's see. Nope, we just lost 6. 490. We were 1 away. That's how I met Arton. I said, Arton, call your cousins, call your aunts, call your uncles. Right, 500. We're gonna do 8,000 tonight. My God, great job, Jeffrey. Oh my God, look at that. That's a Picasso. Absolutely. All right. In 3 minutes, we're gonna have a raffle. 10 giveaways. So good luck. All right, good luck. It's a spin of the draw. Okay, I'm really excited. 502. Let's go. Let's go. Freebird, you got to call me Freebird. With a name like that, I got goosebumps. Where's my picture of me and Johnny Van Zant? Where is it? Yeah, let's see where it is. Me and Johnny. Where's me and Johnny here? Here it is. Here's a picture of me and Johnny Van Zant. Look at that, baby. Right? Skinner, the greatest band in the whole country, the whole world, man. Me and Johnny. What a gentleman right there. And he trades, too, believe it or not. He lives right here in Jacksonville. You know that? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. 2 minutes. Woo-wee. Look at this gold down 14. All right. Tell you, the night flew. Man. Wow, look at this gold drop. All right, 506, 1 minute. We're going to do the raffle. Jennifer, are you ready? Jennifer? Move it over here so I can see. Good luck to everybody here, by the way. All right. We're going to get ready here for 10. Wow, look at this gold. This gold, if this gold gets down to the, I go like 74.5, 83.5 range, I would look to buy it. Hey, Charles Francis, how are you? I like the gold and silver. Can't wait to trade them live. Cray, you should give me a call, Trey. 914-500-7484. Just text me. All right, everybody ready? And good luck to everybody. Good luck. And the first person is Patrick Meme, 69. Patrick Meme. There goes the gold right back up. Patrick Meme, 69. She's ready? Oh, no, she's here. No? How do you enter? Correct call. You got to sign up before 9 o'clock at the top of the in the YouTube. Then he sends a link. Jennifer, is she here? Jennifer, or he here? Patrick Meme, 69. GC victim, where have you been? Right, here comes the gold. Can you believe this gold dropped 15? Charles Francis, you should give me a call, 914-500-7484. Cray Affamind. Next! What a shame. He jumped. That's my line. Look at this gold down 17. NASDAQ, look at the silver drop 80. All right. What's this? Riyadh 369. Riyadh, RIYAD 369. If you're long the gold, this gold should get one more push up to a lower high. Jennifer, is he here? Riyadh 369. Oh boy. Nope. Going once. Okay, no problem for Charles. Going once. Next! Boy, oh boy, that's 0 for 2. Never happens like that. Pipsy Hamster. Pipsy Hamster. What kind of name is that? Pipsy Hamster. Pipsy Hamster. Pipsy Hamster. Oh, Pipsy. Don't tell me we're going 0 for 3 here. Beginning of the night. Hey, congratulations, Pipsy. Next. You participate by signing up before 9 o'clock, Javitsa TG. Hey, Zill. What's this? Brian Dew, 1994. Brian Dew, 1994. I guess that's the year he was born. I wish I was born in 94. I'm 31 years older than you. Brian Dew, 1994. Jennifer, is he here? Brian? Where's Jennifer? Bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. No, it's bada boom, bada bing, bada bomb, right? No, bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. That's it. Bada bing. Brian Dew. Of course, look at this. Of course, gold drops 20. Off the cell divergence. Next! Only 914 500 Charles 7484. 914. Okay, I can't. John. Oh my God. Janingya. I can't. JONIGAHIGA. Oh my God. Janingya. Is he here? He's here. Thank God. I can't say it again. That's 2. Edna Gomez, D3P. Edna Gomez, D3P. Edna, look at this gold drop. Silver dropped $1.20. Purse trades, that's a great one. She's here? Great. Congratulations. That's 3. Chuck, I'll be covering shorts on the gold. Oh my God. The Evolution Trader, Mikey Jacques. Yes, Mikey Jacques. Evolution Trader, the Evolution Trader, Michael Jacques. There it is, Mikey Jacques. Michael. Where's Michael? He's got to be here. Oh my God, what a short in the gold. Gold, gold, I was scale out of longs here, 78 to 83. Edna Gomez. How about Mikey Jacques, the Evolution Trader? I thought he was here. I just saw him. Mikey Jacques. Going once. I got to be fair. Michael. Forget about the hockey game in Calgary. Going twice. Jennifer, is he here? I can't. Jennifer's typing. I can't believe this gold just dropped 25. Michael Jacques. Nope. Next. I'm not partial. I was being fair. All right. Bizarre Oman 9796. Okay. Bizarro Man 9796. Bizarro Man. Am I saying it right? You're here, but you weren't here. Exactly. Bizarro Man. Going once. This gold's going to pop here. Jennifer, is he here? I'll wait for Jennifer. Then we only got 3 so far. There goes the gold. 78 up to 84. I look to exit longs. Next! Beatree underscore Eric. BEATRI underscore Eric. Cliff Daniel, I agree. BEATRI underscore ERIC. He's here. Congratulations. That's 4. Next. Arnava. Oh, I can't even say this. Arnavra J6. Arvana J6. ARNAVRA J6. ARNAVRA J6. She's here? I don't see it. Congratulations. That's 5. It's a slow night here. My God, this is the slowest one we've done. I don't know what it says. Pierre Joseph, 8065. My good friend, Pierre Joseph. Pierre Joseph, 8065. Congratulations, Pierre Joseph. There goes the gold. Pierre's got to be here. He's religiously here. Right, Jennifer? He's got to be here. Pierre Joseph. There goes the gold. Pierre Joseph, come on. Going once. There goes the gold right back up. You long the gold? Going twice. Next. Oh, he's here? Sorry. That's 6. There goes the gold. I'll be scaling on the longs. Chuck, I hope you got the long. What is this? Okay, Pierre. Anna Trading, 1977. Anna Trading, that's 6. Anna Trading, 1977. Sorry. Anna Trading, 1977. Here, that's congratulations. That's 7. Let's go. 3 more. Colorful Craft Vibes. Oh my God. Colorful Craft Vibes, VIBZ. He's here. Congratulations. 8. Wow, look at his gold. Look at his gold rally. That's 8. Biochem Compassi. Biochem Compassi. Am I saying it right? Biogram, look at Bitcoin. You should get another push up. Biochem Compasi, Jennifer Biochem. That's 8. Okay, congrats. That's 9. Next. Oh God, I'm tired. Last but not least, ISK 4056. ISK 4056. Charles Francis, if you call me or text me, I'll talk to you about it. Okay, ISK 4056. That's it. He's here. All right. So there you go. 10. And I thank my funded futures for that. Okay. That was really great. Okay. I think that's 10. Right? Okay. Tremakas, how are you? Isaac, there you go. And anybody new, you guys should really be taking advantage of the 5-day free trial. Just text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. NASDAQ, S&Ps and NASDAQ made new lows. I hope you bought them. I told you the bigger time frames here, right? All right, there goes the gold right back up. S&Ps just rallied 7. NASDAQ here, again on the new lows during the raffle. Oh my God, 88, just ran 30. I hope you got, I said, if anybody buy the new lows there? Anybody? It was a fun night, right? Billy, 308. Okay. Kobop, I called along there. What's the matter? Kobop, I called along there. Oh my God. NASDAQ just ran almost 30 here, 40 here. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's too small for you. S&Ps just rallied 10. Okay, I said any new lows. Oh my God, look at this gold. That's 2 great longs off that. 2 great longs there. You got to understand, my strategies are based upon divergences, all right? And you got to really be part of the Discord. You really got to be part of the Discord. Create my find, okay? And again, I said, if you want to text me your full name and email, I'll give you a 5-day free trial. NASDAQ just ran 40. Okay? Again, I told you every new low based upon an oversold condition, the 60-minute time frames have the buy divergences, right? Okay? Do you guys not remember that? Jeff got the long. Great job. NASDAQ, S&Ps, kaboom. Did you see that long? I told you, every new low on the oversold on the 5 against the 60, you got to buy. It's a buy divergence, right? So it's a buy divergence in a buy disconnect. 2 out of 3 time frames are bullish, right? So we have 2 out of 3 time frames are bullish. You buy. Oh my God! Look at the S&Ps go up 12. NASDAQ just. Oh my God! NASDAQ 50 up. Fish and Fool, tell me you got the long. You bought the 605s on the NASDAQ? Okay, can I just say something? If a NASDAQ drops to 88, you don't buy more? NASDAQ just broke 4,588. I don't know, but that was a pretty damn good rally. Look at the NASDAQ, 60 up. NASDAQ 2, who cares? Trade them. Charles Francis, why are you not taking it? I missed the silver long. This was a great long here. And I told you got to buy silver on the first pullback after the 60 reverse to buy. Look at the silver. This is a absolute Picasso. Silver just ran $1.90. I said you take the short, you wait for the pullback on the 5-minute after the 60 reverse to buy. Okay? That's an absolute Picasso. Silver reverses to buy on the 60, MACD positive, correlates with the 30 and the 60. The 5 reverses to buy on a double blue, right? You can see the 5 reverses to buy at 20.50. 10 minutes later, the 60 reverses to buy. You buy the first pullback. You take the short. You wait for the pullback. Oversold right into the 10 bar. Silver up 90 cents. Come on. That's a Picasso. Okay? That's an absolute Picasso. And I said it. And I said, look at the NASDAQ. Up 60. S&P's up 13. Oh, my God. Gold rallied. 75 up to 89. Wow. And gold just got caboose. You see gold here? You have to know that gold's going to make a lower high when the MACDs are negative like this. So when gold got this pushed down, okay, it went a little deeper than my range, and then it shot up to 88, so it ran 16, okay, and then what does it do? 89, boom, just dropped 13. Why? Right? The MACDs are negative here, and if you look at the 15-minute time frames, you can see the 15s are turning down right here, right? Got to be, you know what? I didn't call it short on the NASDAQ. That was a professional grade long on silver. Okay? Silver. 60 reverses to buy. It correlates with the 30 and the 60 minute, 30 and the 15. You take the pull. Oh my God, look at this gold. Where's Pac-Man? That's Pac-Man and I's favorite strategy right there. 89 to 74. Oh my God. So basically when you're pushing up, the MACDs are negative on the 3 and the 5 right here. I already know them. Look at this bear flag, right? Where's Christopher? What a short. And I told you every time the market dropped, right? Every time the market dropped, you can see the S&P futures on the 60. You can see the MACDs were not confirming the low. 88, boom, just ran 15 on the S&P. NASDAQ, 88 to 58, 70 up. Wow. Now, if you want to take a scalp short on the S&Ps, you can go like 03.5 up to 10.5. NASDAQ, you can go 64, 63 up to 93. Wow, Freebird, go get him. Nothing wrong with that, man. I love that name, Freebird. Are you kidding me? Damn. Nasdaq didn't run 100 points. Nasdaq ran 70, right? Man, oh man. All right, Nasdaq, if you're shorted here, 60, just lower your stuff. These fives are going to roll over here. That's an app. S&Ps look to cover between the 98 and 02 level. What a short. Look at the Nasdaq. 15. Freebird, you got to text me, Freebird. Oh my God. Look at the short. Look at the short. Oh my God. Nasdaq, S&Ps. What a short. This is one of the best nights in a while. Schultz, get in there. What a short. Nasdaq and S&Ps, man. Wow. Wow, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You're not seeing shorts in Nasdaq yet. I just called it short. It just dropped 30, Charles. All right. I think this was one of the best sessions. Not a losing, well, during the raffle. I'm going to do the raffle and put over here for because I blocked the chart. So I don't want to do that again. And I missed that really nice short on the gold just now, 89 here. Whenever you have the MACDs negative on the 3 and the 5, and I actually caught this type of pattern today on the S&Ps at 38, 69, 68, 38, and they dropped 20. Okay, actually they dropped about 15. Right, so it does matter. Okay, all right. All right. So anyway, this is a great short. When you see the MACD negative like this, all right, and then on top of that, you have the 15-minute time frames rolling over. That was a short. How I missed it, I'm so pissed. But also, it just took my eyes a little bit to recalibrate here because the NASDAQ here, when you were making new lows, again, I kept on telling you, the 60-minute time frame, you got buy divergences. So all these lows here, okay, were along. All right. And gold, the guy who bought 51.99, he jumped. All right. All right. I want to thank everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night. Again, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial or just text or want to talk, just text me. I'll call you 914-500-7484. If you want a 5-day free trial, you're going to need to text me your full name and email. Also, I do have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. And it's My Funded Futures, the best prop firm out there. And I'm really super excited. God bless you all. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. All right. With that, have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Buckle up. The volatility's here. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.